सो ये है हमारा बायो लैब। चलिए टूर करते हैं सर।
Welcome in our bio labs. So it is our bio labs, one of the most wonderful and amazing labs in our school. Let's start now. Look at this. This is the human torso. This is the wonderful model for the students to observe different parts of human body, like heart, left lung, right lung, kidney. There are different types of model in one system. This is the heart, yes sir, and these are the lungs, and this is the liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and different types of model that you see in this model. And there are some reagents also in our labs like saccharine stain or to observe the litmus and other purpose. And these are the cover slip to make permanent slide.
इसमें ग्लासेस
Yes sir.
ये किस में काम आता है?
To prepare permanent and temporary slide.
टू चेक इन दैट लेंस
Yes sir.
माइक्रोस्कोप।
Just a minute. These are the slides. There are two types of slide in our lab. These are the permanent slides. That is the leaf stomata angiosperms. And this is the cover slip to use in this permanent slide to make the sample clearly. These are the dropper, spatula, measuring cylinder, and different types of medical apparatus that we use. Here is another model, that is the human brain also.
बताते हुए तीनों
And-
में मैडम की में आ जाएगा हम बताइए
There is glass apparatus also used in this lab, like small beaker, large beaker. There are different value like 250 ml.
ये सब ये तो ब्रेन
It is the brain, human brain, sir. So there are two systems in human brains,
लेफ्ट हैंड
left and right. And by this we check this one. There are three parts of brain, and forebrain, hindbrain, and this is the midbrain. And there are different types of parts like hindbrain and forebrain. There are another things that we use in our labs, and this is the observation board in lab to create an experiment or observation in our lab. There are different types of chart, lecture stand, and for washing purpose we use different types of apparatus in our lab. For ventilation also, and there are different types of charts for studying students' blood circulation, kidney, skin, urinary and excretory system, and there is the brain system. So there is the sitting hall for the students. And now that we use different types of specimen also, and this is the specimen
ऑफ
prawn,
प्राउन
and in our language we can say it is the small fish for eating purpose because it is highly proteinous food.
ये नेचुरल है सर
Yes sir.
ये क्या पानी इसके अंदर
No
Cut
sir.
out
This
from
is
a-
the formalin solution.
इट इज कट आउट फ्रॉम ए सी।
By this
I see.
formalin solution we put the specimen for large time.
और ये ऊपर
And there is another specimen that is mollusk, that is
Mollusk.
found in sea. It is also like a cells because outer skeleton, exoskeleton, to protect it from different environment. Here is another specimen, that small frog.
कम हो जाए इसमें
Yes, this is the toad. There are two types of species, toad and frog also. These are different. With due to their characteristics.
And this
Then
is
another types of specimen for feces used in pisciculture.
this is a leech, I think, or something else.
No, sir. This
Leech.
is not.
Leech.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir. Okay.
Leech.
Yes, sir. And these are the waste bottle, and this is the one of
Human skeleton.
the most amazing structure used in biolab, that is human skeleton. For different types of bones in this system. By this we study different types of bone and to check the students more clear. Then there is another model, human heart, and this is the human heart.
Take it, sir. Can you take it? Cannot you pick it out?
Okay, let's start now.
Pick it out, please.
This is the
Human heart.
human heart, and there are different types of artery and veins in this model that you see, and the red color that show it is the artery, and the blue, these are the veins. There are different parts of human heart like atrium and ventricle. There are two part of ventricle and two parts of atrium, left and right.
Could you
For
please
different
tell us where are these
for different.
ventricle and
These are the ventricle, and these are the atrium.
yes, sir.
This is the left, this is the right ventricle, and this is the right auricle, this is the left auricle. And this is the one of the most useful apparatus in our biolab, that is the compound microscope. By this we see the different types of sample in this microscope. There is observable lens and another is human eye lens that we use in this different purpose like slide and other specimens. And these are the test tubes for check the depression. This is the weighing machine in this lab. Another one of the most model that used in science or biology lab, that is human digestive system. Different parts of human digestive system. So there are some other parts for medical purpose that we use in this lab. Thank you. So this is our biolab. Thank you.
Thank you.